If you own a gaming PC running Windows 10, chances are your operating system hasn't been optimized. By tweaking a few Windows settings, you can significantly boost your gaming performance and reduce input delay. This guide is quick, safe, and doesn't require any downloads. If you find it helpful, please drop a like and subscribe for more future tips. Step 1. Create a restore point to start. Let's create a restore point for safety. On your desktop, click the Start menu and type System Restore. Select Create a Restore Point to open the System Protection menu. Click Create, name it something like Windows 10 Optimization, and confirm by clicking Create again. Once done, you can verify it by choosing System Restore and checking the available restore points. This will allow you to revert any changes if needed, though most users won't face any issues. Step 2. Disable High Precision Event Timer. Open the Start menu, right-click, and select Device Manager. Expand System Devices, locate High Precision Event Timer, and right-click to disable it. If disabling it causes issues, you can re-enable it. However, most systems perform better with it off. Step 3. Clear temporary files. Press Windows, key plus R and type temp. Delete all files in the folder. Control plus A and delete button. Some files may not delete. This is normal. Repeat the process for %temp, %. And prefetch. Step 4. Adjust power and sleep settings. Go to Settings, then System, then Power and Sleep, then click Additional Power Settings. In Power Options, select High Performance if preferred, or create a custom plan. Under PCI Express, set it to Off. For processor power management, ensure settings are at 100%. Step 5. Enable Storage Sense. Go to Settings, then System, and then Storage. Turn on Storage Sense and set it to run weekly to automatically clear unnecessary files. Step 6. Disable Remote Desktop. In Settings, scroll to Remote Desktop and disable it. Step 7. Optimize visual effects. Go to Settings, then About, then Advanced System Settings, and then Performance Settings. Select Adjust for best performance, but enable the following. Under the Advanced tab, Ensure Programs is selected over Background Services for optimal performance. Step 8. Fine-tune mouse settings. In Settings, go to Devices, then Mouse, and then Additional Mouse Options. Under Pointer Options, ensure Pointer Speed is set to the 6th notch default. Enhance Pointer Precision is unchecked to disable mouse acceleration. Step 9. Disable Transparency Effects. Go to Settings, then Personalization, and then Colors. Turn off transparency effects to reduce unnecessary performance load. Step 10. Disable Startup Apps. Go to Settings, then Apps, and then Startup. Disable non-essential apps. Step 11. Gaming Settings. Go to Settings, then Gaming and disable Xbox Game Bar. Enable Game Mode. Under Graphics Settings, enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling and add your most played games for optimization. Step 12. Manage Privacy Settings. Under Background Apps, turn off unnecessary apps. Step 13. Keep Windows updated. Go to Settings, then Update and Security, and check for updates. While updates often fix bugs, you can skip them if they create issues for you. And that's it. These simple optimizations can make a significant difference in your gaming performance. If you have additional tips, drop them in the comments to help others. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more guides.